today I'm going to share some of that feedback, some of the insights that we get to hear all the time from our partners with all of you, with some predictions for 2025 and some opportunities that we can pay attention to and some stats from some of our industry partners like Canalys. Pretty soon I'm going to be joined on stage by my partner in crime, Jason Jones from Microsoft. Jason is a director of Global Partner Solutions for North America, and he is my partner in crime in many things that we do with OpenText as an indirect provider. So OpenText Cybersecurity. We are a division of OpenText. OpenText is a 30-year leader in information management, and of course, a really critical part of information management is information security. Today we have over 18,000 MSPs and MSSPs who use OpenText cybersecurity solutions to keep their customers and their businesses safe and secured. Several thousand MSPs also come and work directly with us to license the rest of our cybersecurity solutions. So it could be everything from endpoint security to email security, DNS protection, MDR, phishing simulation services, backup both for your endpoints and for your cloud solutions and your servers, disaster recovery services, and of course, the migration and other professional services that help tie it all together. We really work to help our partners understand and navigate Microsoft, but more importantly, differentiate, wrap your cybersecurity solutions around that piece that's core to your business already, but to do it in a way that's in one console, we call it Secure Cloud, one console that allows you to source your Microsoft, deploy your Microsoft licenses, manage your users, and do that right alongside the rest of our cybersecurity solutions. So it really helps drive efficiency, and this is the main go-to-market for OpenText Cybersecurity, is to bring all of our solutions into one console that makes it simple for MSPs. The recommendation is to think about proactive security. And what I mean by proactive security is more than just putting cybersecurity solutions into your core bundles. It's also thinking about what if, what happens, how can we be proactive to protect the data estate of our customers. I was saying the same thing last year about generative AI. It's the year to learn it and to figure it out. And in our own partner surveys, we found that the biggest thing that our partners felt that they were missing out on an opportunity with was generative AI. And the biggest thing they didn't understand, they felt that their customers need, was generative AI. So this isn't to say that we need to forget about it and to move past it. It is to say that it's going to start moving faster. That change is going to keep happening. And this is the opportunity to dig in and to understand more about how you can build service offerings around it. And I've seen this a lot with Copilot. I'll ask Jason to come up onto stage with me as well, because of that saturation, because of that modern work environment, Copilot's there. In fact, many of your clients already have it for free. Jason, I'm going to relinquish this to you.
All right.
Use it wisely, sir.
Very cool. How's everybody doing? 87% of organizations believe that AI will give them that competitive edge, right? 70% are familiar, and that may be like, I've used it, right? If you think about it, 52%, right, are actually using it. But when they say they're using it, how are they using it? Did they download a tool? Did they just accept the end user license agreement? What are they using it? What access to what data does it have? When I talk to MSPs across the country, things like data governance, security, things like, breathe. AI is exciting. It's amazing. It has the opportunity to transform not just the workplace, but society. So how do we manage that? And it's shifting business, right? If you think about it, right? Personal agents. I joke with people, and you'll hear me say this, that every person at Microsoft has an assistant. Not just the VPs or the CVPs or the EVPs or the SVPs or Alphabet VP, right, that we have. But everyone at Microsoft gets an assistant. My AI, the way that I use Copilot, it takes my Teams meetings notes. It recaps my emails. I have prompts to help me plan my day, to plan my week, right? It does everything that, frankly, I didn't like to do before. What are the things in your business, in your SMB customers, that you can automate so that it just works? We kind of call it digital debt. What's the digital debt that your customers are facing every single day? What are the things that we can do as MSPs and as a community to help in this transformation? Every MSP here should be using Microsoft 365 Copilot, should be using other amazing AI tools, right? You know, this is a really cool slide. I like the 25th hour and ROI. You know, the productivity benefit, right? Some people say it's, 12 minutes a day. I would say that honestly, for me personally, I am saving or more efficient at least an hour a day. I joke, it's not an official tagline from Microsoft, but Jason's stance is, look, for $1 a day, everybody gets an assistant in every company, in every organization across the world, right? And it's through MSPs that we can make that happen.
The last option that I want to be able to highlight for all of you, I invite you all to take the OpenText Challenge. What is the OpenText Challenge? Well, one thing, you could scan the QR code right now and find out. But otherwise, the OpenText Challenge is we have a suite of cybersecurity services that are packaged up in solution bundles. We have one that covers everything that we've talked about so far today, and it's very low cost. I challenge you to take a trial of that. Let us set up an NFR, talk to our team, kick the tires on it for 30, 60 days, whatever it takes, put it head to head against the technology solutions you have in your environment. And my challenge is that I bet that you're going to be an OpenText cybersecurity partner. You're going to work with us in our cybersecurity solutions. And I want to thank you all for this opportunity. Stop by the booth for 300 and 302. We can't miss us right at the very beginning. Excited. Thank you, Exchange. It's been a great time chatting with you all. Take care.